What's up? It's Susie from Hey Grill Hey, and today we are elevating the humble chicken breast. I've got 5 delicious marinades. 3 of them are totally from scratch. 2 of them are store-bought hacks. All 5 of them are absolutely delicious and will bump up the flavor profile of regular boring old chicken. So let's get started.
Now we're kicking things off with my most used chicken marinade. This is a balsamic vinegar, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and garlic marinade. It adds loads of flavor with really basic pantry ingredients that I always have on hand. Now all the ratios for this and the recipes will be available in the video description, but you add your chicken breast, press out the air. That one is done and ready to go into the refrigerator. The next one is the cheater hack version. It's literally bottled Italian dressing. We like Olive Garden, but use your favorite. Third up is my childhood favorite. This is a chili lime grilled chicken. We use this one for taco night. It's got canned, diced, fire roasted chilies, cilantro, lime juice, green onions, garlic, chili powder, cumin, all of the magical things that make really, really tasty, juicy, incredibly flavorful chicken. I mean, just look at all the flavor in that bag on the outside of that chicken breast. So delicious. This is another super easy cheater version that I do for honey mustard. My kids love this one. It's literally honey and my zesty gold mustard based barbecue sauce. 2 ingredients. It comes together so fast. And this one is great for like salads. And we even eat them cold, sliced to the next day in wraps. So delicious. And finally, we have Todd's favorite. This is my lemon herb chicken marinade. Lots of fresh herbs, fresh lemon juice, fresh lemon zest, loads of garlic. This one does require a few more ingredients, but the flavor impact that it has is totally worth it. This is the one that feels, I probably think, the fanciest of all of the chicken marinades because it adds so much flavor with the fresh herbs. Combine that as well, pop them into a refrigerator. I like to refrigerate at least 4 to 8 hours. I usually think, 8 hours is best. So I'll generally put my chicken in to marinate in the morning and then it's ready that night. I'm going to grill up all 5 of these and you can see the color difference of those chicken breasts side by side based on the different marinades they had in them. So you really can impact the amount of flavor you get in the chicken with these different marinades. And of course, I think grilling them is the best way to cook them, but there are also ways that you can oven bake or however you like to cook your chicken breast. The marinades work for all of them.
Well, there you have it, my friend. 5 different chicken breast marinades that you can use over and over again. Each one of these are great to have in your back pocket, whether you want to add a ton of flavor with a custom-made lemon herb marinade or you want to go simple with a pre-made Italian dressing. Each one of these will add moisture and flavor to level up sometimes boring grilled chicken breasts. But no boring chicken breasts here. Let me know which one of these chicken marinades you plan on trying first in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys next time.